Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me all those places or Google me. Hey, it's Gym Bag Beauty is the theme of the Target July 2019 beauty box. Gym Bag Beauty, woo! Hot yoga at 6 a.m., hot day at 6 p.m., back-to-back meetings in between. We've all been there. That's why we keep our fave beauty essentials stashed in our gym bags at all times. Whether you're a yogi, a CrossFit cutie, or step master queen, these power products are all sure to keep you good looking and feeling fresh all day long. Let's get into the products. So hey y'all, July 2019, Gym Bag Beauty, woohoo, hashtag Target Beauty Box, that's right. So we have the Simple Sassy Sachet Moisturizing Face Wash. It's like in a little pouch, which scares me for a gym bag because I'm afraid I'd like puncture it. It says squeeze me to the last drop. Anyway, it's formulated with skin-loving ingredients and to gently cleanse and provide hydration. So that is cute. And then we have the Simple Micellar Water, cleansing water. Again, I don't know how I feel about this in my gym bag because I feel like if you squeeze it too hard or something, poppy or something might pop it. Yeah, then you've got a leak. So don't know how I feel about that. However, I do love cleansing water. It's so great. And look, it's got a little scuba dude on it. Whoop, little beep. So squeeze you to the last drop. And what's this say? Oh. 62% less plastic. That's why they're in little pouches. I'm all for that. Then we have Nexxus Frizz Define Anti-Frizz Sheets. So basically it's a sheet that you glide it over your hair to prevent frizz. I'm not putting it in my gym bag. I'm going to put it in my model bag though because that's something that'll be cool. Now here's an odd one for me. It's toothpaste. But it's kids' toothpaste in Strawberry Rush, which I don't know. Were they like running, they had too much kids' toothpaste, so they were like, let's put this in beauty boxes. Anyway, I'm down for strawberry toothpaste. I mean, it's still got the same amount of fluoride as a regular toothpaste, so why the hell not? Oh, it's sealed. I always do that. If you've watched these videos, you've seen me just do that so much. Hey, I'm game. Strawberry. Then we have Head & Shoulders Smooth and Silky Shampoo to banish dandruff. I don't have dandruff, except, and I've explained this before in videos, if you drink a lot of not red. If you drink a lot of white or rosé wines, there's something like an enzyme or something that can actually make your scalp itch and cause you to get dandruff from itching your scalp too much. So if I'm going to do a little wine drinking, because white and rosé is my sweet spot, then we got Smooth and Silky shampoo and conditioners. Then finally, oh my God, I love this product line. Like the last time Target put one of their products in a beauty box, it lasted forever. It was so good. It's Acure Radically Rejuvenating Day Cream Facial Moisturizer with SPF 30. Their moisturizers are so great. Like a little bit goes a long way at last, and it keeps your skin moisturized. I love this stuff. Like I love this brand for moisturizers. One of my favorite moisturizer brands. I'll probably start using it tonight. And then of course, $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more. But now you can scan it and upload it straight to your Target app, which is freaking awesome. that is the July box. You know where to follow me. Until next time, stay beautiful.